Yo, what's going on, guys? Back with another video.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes sir, man, back with another video. I'm here with
your boy Chris Fisher, but you can call me Chris.
Yeah, you know me, man, going J, but I got two names. What's yours called?
Chris and Kyle.
Yes sir, man. First phone, appreciate y'all for all the support me. I'm going crazy, I'm going super, really appreciate it. So if you enjoy it, you already know, hit that sub button. And if you're not liking it, you can always unsubscribe. Yes sir, man. I couldn't talk about the video. We are here with two more of the music videos for TXT. We got TAEHYUN's Bird of Night, and then we got Kai's Dance With You. So you know what I'm saying? I remember Bird of Night, Heat.
That was definitely my favorite.
Banger. You know what I'm saying?
That's definitely my favorite.
So I know it's gonna be, I know they probably got one more, I think it's Bomb You, right? That has one more. So we'll put that in a separate video as well. You know what I'm saying? These you probably already seen the other two, but this is of course same week. And then if the other one comes out on time, that can get uploaded this week too, just to get them out the way. And I usually don't like doing that, but to keep it more diverse with what we do, but just to make sure we ain't forget nothing, you know what I'm saying? It's only fair. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Enough of the yap. We gonna get into it. Bird of the Night. Into like a painting type of thing to
Yo, it's all cold, bro.
It's all cold. What you get in the music video?
Music video, I'm gonna get that 8.5.
I'm gonna give it 7.5.
Cool.
I feel like out of all the music videos, you know what I'm saying, a lot more lackluster. But I like the little painting to the real life thing. I like that. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying. Song we already know it's a 10. The song was a 10. But you know what I'm saying?
That man got them vocals, man. He's going crazy.
All right, next up we got Kai, Dance With You.
My time dance with you, hold hands with you. 맞추는 심장으로 너와 함께 추는 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 난 맡기는 하나가 되는 걸. I wanna dance with you.
Somebody in the video, he's so funny. It's not your voice, bro. Yeah, they got the shoulder rolling there.
One step, two steps. 다가가게 더 가까이 내게. 맞대 갈래. 심장이 떨리는 하나가 돼. 무도한 눈부신 moonlight. 영원히 기억될 starry night. 나와 함께 발을 맞춰. 너조차 몰랐던 널 허락해줘. I wanna dance with you, hold hands with you. 혼자서 출 수 없는 달콤한 이 긴긴 춤. 오롯이 너에게 난 나에게 난 맡기는 하나가 되는 걸. I wanna dance with you.
Yeah, I'm liking the vibe of the video though. Who's bro feel like on this track, bro?
What you giving the music video, man? I'm gonna go 8. I definitely was messing with that. He was over there getting down in the club by himself.
He said, I don't need nobody else to dance.
I want to dance with you. Nah, but that was fire, bro. I'm about to say they solos, they all went crazy. You know what I'm saying?
That whole project.
The whole project was fire.
It was fire, bro.
You know
I'm
what
not
I'm
gonna
saying?
lie.
I don't know though, man. Them artists, the group's been just dropping projects with solos.
Yeah,
but solos
what y'all
on
trying to say?
recently,
Y'all trying to give us solo projects then. What we playing for?
You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that was definitely fire though. And if y'all enjoy, you already know, like, share, subscribe, drop more jpopcable.com, below anything and everything with this 2 million, drop more THC in the comments below as well. Most of them get listened to first, man. Appreciate y'all for all the support, man. Okay, grind, keep pushing just for y'all, man. Love y'all, man. Subscribe, and I'm out, bro.